Good morning students. Today we start with our third chapter, fiber to fabric. Now in this chapter we study about animal fibers like wool and silk, the steps involved in making wool and fiber, life cycle of silkworm, sericulture type of silk, health hazard of sericulture. Now let us start. In class 6th you have learnt about the fiber and their kinds. Natural fiber are of two types, plant fiber and animal fiber. You have read about the plant fiber like cotton, jute, flax in class 6. Animal like sheep, goat, yak and camel gives us wool. Wool is produced from their fleece. Silk is very fine, shiny thread that is woven to make clothes. Now let us learn about these animal fiber and how these are converted into fabric. First is wool. Wool is used to make woolen clothes that we wear in winter. It is light, soft, thick, durable, elastic and wrinkle resistant. Wrinkles नहीं होते इसमें, light होती है, soft होती है, thick होती है, durable कई दिनों तक चल जाती है, elastic भी है. Woolen fibers are also fire resistant and are chiefly composed of animal protein. The fleece of the sheep is spun to make yarn. The yarn is then woven to make clothes. Some major wool producing states of our country are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Let us know about some wool yielding animals. First is sheep. Sheep is believed to be the domesticated first in Asia. Wool is the natural fiber obtained from sheep. Sheep has a thick coat of fleece on its body. A sheep body also has two type of fiber that form the fleece. One is the outer coarse beard hair and the other is the fine soft under hair that are close to the skin. The fine hairs it is used to produce wool. The average lifespan of the sheep is about 7 years. The sheep can survive in dry and cold climates and eat different type of grasses. There are several breeds of sheep in our country. Different kind of sheep produce different qualities of wool. Australian Merino sheep produces high quality of wool. जो हमें wool मिल रही है ऑस्ट्रेलियन मेरिनो से वो है सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी की. A female sheep is called as Eve and the male sheep is called as ram and a young sheep is called as lamb. Eves mostly give birth to one or two lambs at a time. A lamb identifies its mother by its blessed bal. Okay, now second is bleached और बा जिसको हम बाबा बोलता है ये ऐसे ही goat. Goat wool is also obtained from goat hair. Some common goat breeds of India are Kashmiri, Gadi, Chamba, Angora. Mohair ये सारी की सारी क्या है species of goats. Mohair is the fleece of Angora goat found in a hilly area of Jammu Kashmir. The underfur of a Kashmiri goat is soft which is used to produce Kashmiri wool. कश्मीर की जो wool है वो बहुत ही अच्छी होती है. The goats are found in the high plateau of Asia. It is woven into a fine shawls called pashmina shawls. जो कश्मीरी शॉल्स हैं वो बहुत अच्छी होती हैं, हम लोग लेते हैं ना, तो ये क्या है, ये अच्छी कॉटन से बनी हुई होती हैं. मोहेर जिसको हम बोल रहे हैं हम लोग, मोहेर अब क्या है, वेरी सॉफ्ट फ्लीस ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम अंगोरा गोट और टू मेक वूल. कश्मीरी वूल वेरी सॉफ्ट है, ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द अंडर फर ऑफ कश्मीरी गोट. थर्ड इज कैमल. कैमल हेयर इज प्रोड्यूस आल्सो यूज टू प्रोड्यूस वूल. अ कैमल male camel yield about 12 kg or 15 kilogram and a female camel produces about 6 kilogram and 8 kilogram of wool in a year. Alpaca and llama found in South America yield wool which are fine, soft and lustrous. Now rabbit. Wool is obtained from the rabbit hair is very soft. The Angora rabbit yield very fine and soft wool. These wool fiber are available in less amount and are expensive. थोड़ी मिलेगी पर बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी होगी वो. दे आर यूजुअली मिक्सड विद शीप वूल, सिल्क एंड नायलॉन. ये हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो एनिमल्स जिनसे हमें वूल मिल रही है. याक्स लिव in high mountain region like Tibet and Ladakh. Their undercoat is quite soft which produces silky wool. Musk ox है. Oxen are similar to yak but live in the Arctic tundra. Their thick and coat extend up to 1 meter which make it the longest in all the animal in the world. The wool produced by the musk oxen is lightweight and 8 times warmer than the other variety of wool. ये तो थे कुछ animals ऐसे जो हमें वूल प्रोवाइड करवा रहे थे. वूल फ्रॉम वूल टू फाइबर. वूल से फाइबर कैसे बनेगा. You have read about the different kind of animal which produce wool. Amongst all these, sheep is the chief source of wool. Sheep are reared to produce wool. These fleece is sheared and processed into wool. Let us learn about the process of wool production. First is rearing of sheep. पहले है sheep का पालन करना पड़ेगा उसका. Sheep are reared in many regions of the country including the hill of Jammu Kashmir, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, सिक्किम and the plants of plains of Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Sheep are kept in a shed by their rearers. Their shed should be airy and well ventilated as they sweat a lot and catch cold very easily. Sheep feed on grasses, leaves and grain. Shepherds take their sheep for grazing to various grazing fields. Apart from grazing, sheep rear also feed them with a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar and oil cakes. Sheep should be given clean water for drinking. Then breeding of sheep. There are different breeds of sheep in our country. The sheep with soft under hair are selected for reproduction. The process of selecting parent sheep for obtaining desirable baby sheep is called as selective breeding. हमें जैसा करेक्टर चाहिए वैसी अगर हमें ब्रीड बनानी है तो उस चीज़ को हम बोल देते हैं सेलेक्टिव ब्रीडिंग. By the selection of parents, the sheep rearer get a good breed of sheep. A female sheep give birth to 1 or 2 baby sheep at the time. Some Indian breeds of sheep are given below. Lohi sheep produce good quality of wool and is found in Rajasthan and Punjab. Selective breeding क्या है? Selection of parents to obtain desirable. जैसे हमें कैरेक्टर चाहिए वैसे ही पेरेंट्स को सेलेक्ट करो और रिप्रोडक्शन करवाते हैं. इस चीज़ को हम बोल देते हैं सेलेक्टिव ब्रीडिंग. देन है नाली शीप. ये है शीप्स की कुछ ब्रीड्स. नाली शीप्स आर द sources of carpet wool and is found in Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Wool used in shawls come from Bhakarwal sheep and they are also found in Jammu Kashmir. उसके बाद है Pantanwadi sheep yields hosiery wool and is found in Gujarat. पाटनवाड़ी से हमें क्या मिल रही थी? हॉजरी वूल. उसके बाद है मारवाड़ी शीप से हमें कॉर्स वूल मिलती है. ये हमें गुजरात में मिलेगी. रामपुरा बुशैर शीप ब्राउन फ्लीस एंड इज फाउंड इन उत्तराखंड एंड हिमाचल प्रदेश. उसके बाद है बोटानी वूल इज मेरिनो वूल एंड दैट कम फ्रॉम द बोटानी बे एरिया ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया. देन है शेयरिंग ऑफ वूल. अब हमें वूल तो मिल रही है उसके बाद उसकी शेयरिंग उसको हटाना. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग फ्लीस फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ द शीप. उस फ्लीस को उसकी बॉडी से अलग करना उस प्रोसेस को बोल देते हैं शेयरिंग. अ पर्सन हु शेयर्स द शीप इज कॉल्ड एज शेयरर. Shearing is usually done in the spring season. The season is chosen because it has a pleasant climate and the sheep can survive without its fleece. Shearing is done by hands using clippers or a pair of scissors. Nowadays, machines are used to shear the sheep. It makes the process easy and fast. The fleece has to be removed in one single piece. This requires a very skilled shear. Shearing does not hurt the sheep just as it not hurt as while getting a haircut. जैसे हमारे बाल काटते हैं ना वैसे उनके बालों को अलग किया है. This is because the uppermost layer of skin is dead and the hair of the sheep continue to grow just as our hair grow. Then shearing, the process of removing fur from the coat of the animal. Shearer कौन है? जो वो पर्सन जो शेयरिंग को कर रहा है. Process of fleece to wool, fleece से wool तक का process. The sheared wool is the process to get wool. The steps involved in the production of sheep wool are as follows.